champion. Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up.
It is welcome to our math lesson. Let us complete lesson 10 of your grade 3 module 2 workbook. The focus today, you will learn how to estimate and measure liquid volume in liters and milliliters using the vertical number line. As a warm-up, let us do some milliliter counting. There are 1000 milliliters in 1 liter. You know that already. So count by 100 milliliters to 1 liter. Good. Now, let us decompose 1 liter. 1 liter is 1000 milliliters. Now, if you see my number bond, I've given you 900 milliliters. How many milliliters more do you need to make the 1 liter? Oh, you should have waited for me to finish. It's 100, you're correct. Okay, so what I'm going to do next, the next number Brenda show you, just say the answer. 500 milliliters is correct. 300 milliliters. 600 milliliters is correct. 400 milliliters. 700 milliliters. 250 milliliters. 350 milliliters. 650 milliliters is correct. Math is fun, isn't it? 750 milliliters. 150 milliliters. 850 milliliters is correct. Alright, so I need you to skip count by 3. That is your 3 times table, your 4 times table, your 6 times table, your 7 times table, 8 times table, and 9 times table. Just remind yourself of these ones. We've done them many times, so by now you must have known them by heart. Here's an application problem. Sober drinks 4 large glasses of water each day. How many large glasses of water does she drink in 7 days? This question is so easy. What we know, each day, 4 large glasses. So it's for you to just add it up for 7 days. And there's a quicker way of doing that, multiplication. 4 times 7 equals 28. 28 large glasses of water in 7 days. This is a group activity we'll do in class. We'll make it bigger. But just that you know what we're going to do, we're going to draw a straight vertical line from top to bottom of a bottle. Then we'll measure 100 milliliters of water by pouring from the pitcher into the plastic cup. Now, as you pour, you hold the plastic cup in place and helps the person that's measuring to know where to stop. Then pour the measured water into the bottle, and then somebody will mark. It will make horizontal lines to show each new water level on the side of the bottle. There are 1000 milliliters in a liter of water. So if you're measuring 100 milliliters each time, can you tell how many times you need to measure and mark 100 milliliters of water to make a liter? You have to do that 10 times. Alright, so that is how we'll do it. It's like I'm showing you on the screen now. And you're going to label it, the first 100 milliliters, second one 200, until you get to 1 liter. And then we can start reading it off. Now, this tool that I just described that you see there is a tool that scientists and mathematicians use to measure liquid volume. It is called a beaker. Yeah, that's a beaker. Use this knowledge to answer all 3 parts of problem 1 or your problem set. Yeah, that is, yep, lesson 10 problem set. Alright, we'll also pour the water back, and then we'll be using different bottles of varying capacities, like a small water bottle that has 200 milliliters of water inside. We'll look at how the volume it will be, and then we'll read our measurement. We're going to carry out this experiment in class. We'll look at various bottles with varying capacities: 750 milliliters, 900 milliliters, 1000 milliliters, which is 1 liter, and we see how it looks like. All right, please go ahead and complete your lesson 10 problem set and bring your work to class for marking. Bye.